Today I am gonna tell you how to cook stir-fried chicken. So for that you need a high flame gas. So let's start cooking. Firstly, put 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, preferably sesame seed oil. If you don't have sesame seed oil, you can use vegetable oil or any other refined oil. Now we have to put half an inch of ginger julienne. Saute it for a couple of seconds. Now put 4 to 5 flakes of garlic. Saute it once again for a couple of seconds. Now add red bell pepper. Little bit of red bell pepper. Toss it up. Now add 200 grams of boneless chicken and toss it up for at least 2 minutes on high flame, so the chicken cooks evenly and absorb the ginger flavor. After 2 minutes, let us put a little bit of cabbage in it and toss it up. Mix it well. Now add a little bit of capsicum. Again toss it. Now add salt to taste. Now add a spring garlic just for flavor. If you don't have, you can avoid it. It's optional. Now add peppercorn powder or black pepper powder. About half a teaspoon of peppercorn powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, green chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. Now toss it well, mix it well. Now add little bit of water, approximately half a cup of water, and let it boil. Now add little bit of spring onion just to give it a freshness, and after that we have to add corn flour dissolved in cold water. Always remember, corn flour you have to dissolve in cold water, not in hot water, just to give our gravy a thickness, and cook it for another 1 minute. And now your gravy is thick and your stir-fried chicken is ready to eat. So enjoy.